Hi, my name is Nadia Lopez. I am 29 years old. I live in Neighborhood. I had one brother. His name is Jaime. My mother is Candida. My father is Miller. I had two pet parrots. Their names are Shakira and Rebecca. I like chocolate, cupcakes. I love stuffed potatoes, eat arepas, sweet arepas, salchipapas, hot dogs. I love hamburger, donut, vegetable. My favorite recipe is the hamburger. We call them Nadia's burger. What do you need? For this recipe, we will need hamburger buns, baguette, onion, hamburger meat, lettuce, tomato, cheese, bacon, panela, oil, corn sauce, tartar sauce. Where can you get these ingredients? We can get them at the supermarket. When do you eat this recipe? We can eat this recipe on rest days. Why do you like it? I like this recipe because it is a combination of sweet and salty. How is it prepared? The meat is roasted with a little oil. The onion is cut and cooked with water and panela. To make it sweet, the tomato is cut into slices. The lettuce leaves are removed and washed. When all those is ready, with assemble the hamburger, adding the corn sauce, tartar sauce, and cheese. After those, we melt the cheese and add it with. Place the hamburger in the oven and your hamburger is ready.